everyone, and welcome to the review. Today's video is friend mail. Stay tuned. On this channel we do full post reviews, tips and tricks, recommendations, and unboxings just like this one. So let's jump over to that video. Hey everyone, again welcome to the channel, and I've got this beautiful box from a subscriber. So let me tell you the story. I believe it was about a week and a half ago. I was watching Diamond Painting with Pearl, and she was showing her amazing haul that she had gotten from various different stores. I have to say the ideas that Pearl had was awesome. She had these two buckets. One was for drills, one was for canvases. Great ideas. But she also had gone to Harbor Freight, and she had picked up a couple of items from there, and I had made a comment saying, oh, you know, I wish that we had Harbor Freight here in Canada, because unfortunately we can't purchase that unless we go down to the States. Now you can sign up and get emails and newsletters from Harbor Freight. However, they will not ship to Canada. So I just made a quick comment saying, oh, you know, I wish they had one up here. You know, I really like the Harbor Freight containers. And she had sent me a message on Instagram and offered to send me some of the Harbor Freight containers. And I thought, wow, that was super sweet of her. So I sent her a message back and I said, you know what, I'm willing to pay for them. You know, if you would be willing to just let me know how much it would cost to ship them, I'll pay for the shipping and for the containers. And she wrote me back and she said, no. She says, I want to send them to you. And I'm like, wow. I was just honored and shocked. So I got the box today, and I'm so happy because I had a horrible day today. So I'm going to insert some pictures, but explain to you what was going on. So yesterday morning, we woke up to this lovely white stuff, but it didn't really accumulate a whole lot. However, we woke up the next day to a lot more. Now, as you can see in this picture and this picture, the dogs really love the white stuff. But our gazebo is completely destroyed, and my husband's motorcycle, yes, is underneath all of that. So as you can see, I didn't have a very good day. So when I got into the house, I was drenched. I was soaked and wet from shoveling snow off the roof of our gazebo and trying to see if there was any damage to my husband's motorcycle. And I thought, okay, I've got to get out of these wet clothes. And so I kept hearing the banging at the front door, and I thought, what is at the front door? So I opened up the front door, and this lovely box was in between the door and the screen door. Now, the box actually kept the screen door from completely shutting, so that's what I was hearing, was the screen door slamming against the door. And I thought, oh, so I picked it up, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is from Pearl. So I was really excited. This really made my horrible day bright, and I can't thank Pearl enough for her gracious gift. Thank you so much, Pearl, for offering to send these to me. So let's take a look and see what's in the box. Now I have it flipped upside down so that nobody can see the addresses, and I did cut open this part of the box, although I don't know if that's going to be enough to open this, so we'll see. was hoping it would be, but I don't think it's going to. Okay, here we go. Oh, sort of. There it is. So here is one, two. Oops. So again, Diamond Painting with Pearl sent me these beautiful Harbor Freight container system, and I am excited because, like I said, the only way I could get these is if I go down to the States and pick them up down there, and we very seldom go down to the States these days because of the exchange rate. So wow, I'm excited. I wish that they would ship them up here to Canada, because a lot of diamond painters in Canada, I'm guarantee you, would purchase these. So wow. So I'm just going to take a look at them because I have heard great things about these. Excuse me. So let's take a look. So this says it's a 25-piece storage box system. So it's a clear plastic storage box with 24 individual containers that fit inside. Oh wow, these are neat. These are super. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Well, again, I can't thank Pearl enough for these. These are great. And I am going to be kitting up a diamond painting tonight, so these will actually come in quite handy. So again, Pearl, if you're watching, thank you so much for your gift. I greatly appreciate it. It's beautiful, and I look forward to using them. So if you like the video, go ahead and give it that thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you didn't like the video, I'm totally okay with that. But if you can let me know in the comments below what you didn't like about the video, that way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join the family. Also, I started a new Facebook group, so if you're interested in joining, go down to the description below and the name of the Facebook group will be listed down below. So, by saying that, if this is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If this is afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if this is evening for you, have a very restful evening. Again, my name's Jene, and thank you for spending some time with me on the review. We'll talk again real soon.